हेलो व्यूअर्स। तो ये है पार्ट टू चैप्टर 6। तो हम लोग स्टार्ट कर रहे थे ऑटोमोबाइल्स इंडस्ट्रीज। ऑटोमोबाइल्स प्रोवाइड व्हीकल्स फॉर द क्विक ट्रांसपोर्ट ऑफ गुड्स एंड सर्विसेज एंड पैसेंजर्स। ट्रक्स, buses, a car, motor car, cycle, scooters, three wheelers, multi utility vehicles are manufactured in India at various centers. After the liberalization, the coming in new and the contemporary models stimulates the demand for the vehicles in the market, which lead to the healthy growth of the industries, including passengers cars two and the three wheelers. This industry had experienced a quantum jump in a less than 15 years. Foreign direct investment bought a new technologies and aligned the industries with a global development. At present, there are 15 manufacturers of passengers car and multi-utility vehicles. Of the commercial vehicles, 14 of the 2 and 3 vehicles industries are located around the Delhi, Gurgaon, Mumbai, Pune, Chennai, Kolkata, Lucknow, Indore, Hyderabad, Jamshedpur, and Bengaluru. Information technology and electronics industry. The electronic industry cover a wide range of production, from the transistor set of television, telephone, cellular, telecom passages, telegraph exchangers, radar, computer, and many other equipment required by the telecommunication industries. Bengaluru has emerged as a electronic capital of India. Other important center for the electronic goods are the Mumbai, Delhi, Hyderabad, Pune, Chennai, Kolkata, Lucknow, and Colombo. By the 2010-11 STPI Technological Park of India has come up across 46 locations at different center of India. However, the major industries concentrated is at Bengaluru, Noida, Mumbai, Chennai, Hyderabad, and Pune. A major impact of this industry has been on employment generation. It encouraged to the known that 30% of the people employed in the sector for the are women. This industry has a major foreign exchange and earner in the last 2 or 3 years because of the fast growing businesses processes outcome. BPO sectors continuing growth in the hardware and software is the key to the success of IT in India. Industrial population and environmental degradation, all through the industries, contribute significant to the India's economic growth and development. The increase in the population of land, water, and noise, and resulting degradation of environmental that they caused cannot overlooked. Industries and responsible for the four type of pollution: A, air; B, water; C, land; D, noise. The pollution and the polluting industries also include thermal power plant. Air pollution is caused by the presence of the higher proportion of undesirable gases such as sulfuric dioxide and carbon monoxide. Air-borne particles materials contain both solid and liquid particles like dust, spray, mist, and smoke. Smoke is emitted by the chemical and paper factories, bricks, kilns, refineries, and smelting and plant, and burning of fuels is a big and small factories that ignore pollution norms. Toxic gas leak can be hazardous with a long-term effect. Are you aware of Bhopal gas tragedy that occurs? Air pollution adversity affect human health, animal, plant, building, and the atmosphere as a whole. Water pollution is caused an organic and inorganic industrial wastes and efficient discharge into river. The three main culprit in this discharge into river. The main culprits in this discharge into river regards as the paper, pulp, chemical, textile, and dyeing, petroleum refineries, tanneries, and the electroplastic industries as that let out the dyes, detergent, acid, salt, and heavy metals like lead and mercury, pesticide, fertilizers, synthetic chemicals, and carbon, plastic, and the rubber, etc., into the water bodies. Fly acids, gypsum, and iron and steel slags are the major solid waste in India. Thermal pollution of the water occurs when hot water from factories are turned up and thermal plant is drained into river and pond before cooling. That would be effect on aquatic life. Waste from the nuclear power plant, nuclear and the weapon production facilities cause cancer, birth defect, and miscarriage. Soil and water pollution are closely related to dumping of vast wastes, especially glasses, harmful chemical industries, efficient packaging, salt and garbage rendered the soil uses rain water percolates to the soil, carrying the pollution to the ground, and the ground water and get contaminated. Noise pollution not only result in irrigation and anger, it can also cause hearing impairment, increasing heart rate and blood pressure, among other psychological, physiological effect. Unwanted sound is an irritant and a source of stress. Industrial construction activities, machinery, factory equipment, generators, saws, and pneumatics and electric drills also make a lot of noise. Control of environmental degradation: every liter of water wastewater discharged by industry pollutes every times the quantity of the fresh water. How can we industrial pollution of fresh water can be reduced? Some suggested are minimum use of water for the processing by the reusing and recycling it into the two or more successive stages. Second, harvesting of rainwater to meet water requirement. Third, treating hot water and efficient before releasing them in the rivers and pond. Treatment of industrial efficient can be done in three phases. A primary treatment by the mechanical means. This involves screening, grinding, fluctuating, and sedimentation. Secondary treatment by the biological process. See tertiary treatment by biological and chemical physical process, and this involving recycling of wastewater, overdrawing of groundwater and reserves by the over industries. Where there is a threat to the groundwater resources also need to be regulated legally. Particulate matter in the air can be reduced by the fitting smoke stacks to factories with electrostatic precipitators, fabric filters, scrubbers, and interior separators. Smoke can be reduced by using oil or gas instead of coal, and factories, machineries, and equipment can be used, and generators should be fitted with a silencer. Almost all the machinery can be redesigned to increase energy efficiency and reduce noise. Noise absorbing material can be used apart from the personal use of earplug and earphones. This challenge to sustainable development require integration of economic development within the environmental concern. NTPC shows the way. NTPC is a major power providing cooperative in India. It is the ISO certification of EMS, Environmental Management System 14001. The corporation has a proactive approach for preserving the natural environment and resources like water, oil, and gases and fuel in places where it is setting up the power plant. This has been possible through a optimum utilization of equipment, adopting latest technology, and upgrading existing equipment. B. Minimizing waste generating by the maximum as utilization. C. Providing green belt for the nutrient ecological balance and addressing the question of a special purpose vehicle for afforestation. D. Reducing environmental pollution through access pond management as water recycling system and liquid waste management. Ecological monitoring, receive, and online database management for all its power station. And our chapter is now completed.